Welcome back to One More Guru. In today's quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to check in online with Air Canada. Before you begin, make sure you have your ticket details ready. Open your preferred browser and search for Air Canada. Click on the official website, which is www.aircanada.com. Once you're on the homepage, look for the trips section and select the check-in option. This will take you to the page where you'll need to enter your booking information. You can check in using your Aeroplan number, booking reference, ticket number, or even an employee number, depending on what information you have available. You'll also need to enter the passenger's last name exactly as it appears on the ticket. After entering your details, follow the on-screen prompts. From there, you'll be able to select or change your seat, add checked baggage, get your digital boarding pass, which you can save to your phone or print out. If needed, you can also take a screenshot of your boarding pass as a backup. Keep in mind that online check-in typically opens 24 hours before departure for both domestic and international flights. Checking in online helps you skip long airport lines and head straight to security or baggage drop when you arrive. And that's it. The process is simple and only takes a few minutes. I hope this guide helped. If it did, don't forget to like and subscribe to One More Guru for more easy, step-by-step tutorials just like this.